Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to care for your SD card with your GoPro Lit Hero and all the maintenance tips that I'd like to share. To make the SD card life last the longest, so it doesn't break, it doesn't have any issues, it doesn't break your videos as well, you need to care for it properly. Now, it is not really hard, but there's two things that are worth doing. Of course, it is worth transferring your files somewhere else for backup, and just downloading them onto your phone with the GoPro Quik app, or to your computer via a cable, because there are two methods, so that is basically what you can do. And after that, it is worth formatting your card to make sure that you have some place on the card, have some space on the card to put new files on it. And also it is worth doing that just for maintenance of the card. Now, to do that, you will need to begin by sliding down from the top of your screen, then going to the left side. And now it is important that you have your files saved somewhere, because formatting the card deletes all the data. Click on the card icon right here, and now you can delete your SD media. But it'll give you an alert that none of that, in my case, none of my 0.8 gigabytes of media on my SD card has been uploaded to the cloud. And yeah, it's on my phone right now, but you can also put it on your computer, or if you have the cloud subscription, you can put it in the cloud. Let's click on delete. I'll do that. I'll click on delete. Okay, so that is deleted, but it's also worth going to your preferences, and there should be an SD card thing here. I'll see if it's maybe in the app. Okay, performing a full update, full format isn't possible on the camera itself. It just deletes the files without formatting the card, but it's worth sometimes formatting the card to make sure it all works. So I'll show you how to do it via a computer. So I got my adapter for the computer. I can insert my card here, and this part goes into the computer, of course, because it's a USB port. I could also use the USB-C port if I wanted. Let's take the SD card out of the device. So let's open this latch right here. Click on the SD card. It'll pop out. We can take it out, close the thing, and continue on the computer. Okay, so now when I get to the computer, you will see that when I go to the File Explorer, I have plugged in my card, although I don't think it is being recognized right now. So it should show up, right? I'll plug it in again. I'll try maybe refreshing. Okay, it is not visible on the computer, so I will try a different USB port. And it didn't help as well, which is quite weird. See, it is not helping me with my SD card. Okay, but I know what I'll do. Since it doesn't really show up the card, then I'll go to the program called Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions, and I'll see whether, yeah, disk 1 removable is here, but it doesn't have a letter assigned, so it will not show up here. Sometimes it happens on Windows. It's actually a great thing that it happened today, now, because I can show you that on this video, right? Let's right click on it, then change drive letters and paths. Okay, yeah. Let's right click. Yeah, we cannot do that. So we can format the card from here, but remember that will erase the data. So let's maybe I'll right click, I'll delete the volume, click on yes, and then we'll have all the space unallocated. Right click on it, new simple volume, click on next, next, assign a drive letter, click on next, then select the exFAT file system. Now, you can also change the volume label if you want, and click on next, then click on finish. Okay, it was not formatted for some reason. Let's try formatting it again. Right click format, click on OK and OK. And yeah, I'm having problems with that SD card right now. I'll unplug it and plug it back in, and we'll see how this goes. Format. OK. OK. Okay, let's try instead of that, clicking on format, unselect perform a quick format, and click on OK. Okay, we're not able to do that, so let's switch back to the camera. I'll put the SD card back in, and we'll try formatting it via the camera. So yeah, the other way around. Let's click it in. Let's turn the camera on. It is currently not turning on, and that's a bigger fish to fry. Let's try turning it on with the charger in. Okay, I tried turning it on without the SD card and then putting the SD card, and it gave me an error. So we'll try to fix it. Maybe. Well, no, I will not be able to fix it that way. Right, because in general there's no SD settings. Yeah, there's no SD settings. Okay, so we'll need to, yeah, probably there's something going on with my card. I think that the steps that I've shown you should work normally. It's just my card that doesn't want to work. And yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.